Hi, I'm Noelia with the Fold and Laundry Service. Are you ready for your first laundry delivery? Well, we hope you're excited, but we get it. This whole pickup and delivery laundry concept is new. Here is what to expect with your first order. To get started, you will create an account by downloading our app or by logging online. You'll enter your contact information and preferences. Then, schedule your first pickup. What you've done here is reserve your spot on the route. It's like making a reservation at a restaurant. Your order will not include a subtotal just yet. This is simply you reserving a time slot on the routes for your pickup and your delivery. We will check in your laundry bags once the driver brings them to our facilities. Then at that point, you will have an itemized subtotal. With your first order, you will leave your laundry in disposable bags for our drivers to pick up. When we deliver your clean laundry, we will include your personalized laundry bags. Once you have these laundry bags, you can stuff them full at your convenience for future orders. But for your first pickup, you don't have your laundry bags yet, and that's completely okay. You will have them very soon. We have three types of laundry bags. We have regular wash and fold bags for your everyday laundry. These are blue. Items in the wash and fold bags get treated like regular laundry, washed, dried, and beautifully folded. We have a delicates bag for your wash and fold garments that need gentle treatment. Our delicates bag is white. The clothing in this bag is returned folded. It's great for leggings, workout gear, and your favorite pair of pants, and delicate bras and underwear. And finally, we have our dry cleaning bag. The dry cleaning bag is black. You'll include your dry cleaning and any laundry that you want to be pressed or steamed and return on a hanger. That's very important. Any laundry that you want returned on a hanger needs to be sent in your black dry cleaning bag. Just to be sure you got it, the blue bags are for your everyday wash and fold laundry. The white bags is for your delicates, and the black bag is for your dry cleaning or anything you want to be returned on a hanger. Do you need to be home for pickup and delivery? No, there is no need to be home for your scheduled pickup and delivery. In fact, most people prefer to just leave their clothes out for our drivers to pick up. If you have any notes on where to collect your clothes, example, the back porch, by the garage door, at the concierge desk, feel free to include those in your order notes. You'll be notified along the way with text messages and photos from our team. The point is, delivery laundry is really a day saver. Everyone can use some help lightening the load, but it isn't a one-size-fits-all service. Test it out a couple of times and see where you find your sweet spot. Wherever it is, we've got a spot for you.